Did you know that sliding door is #1 entry point used for the break-ins in Toronto?
Hi everyone, it's Chris with Optimal Windows and Doors. I have another video to show you and to discuss. Here's a group of burglars trying to get into the house through the sliding door in the darkness. There's a group of them and they have some sort of tools that are helping them to unlock that sliding door. Eventually what happened is they gave up and they just ended up moving on to someone else's home. Sliding doors are the weakest point of our homes. It's on the main floor. There's a huge glass panels that would be broken, and the latches that lock the sliding doors are super simple to unlock. They're starting to equip our sliding doors for our customers with 2 additional steel locks. Essentially, it's a kick lock that's installed at the bottom of the door, and there's a garden lock that's installed at the top. So it's super simple if you think, not more complicated than a piece of hockey stick or 2x4 that you probably have right now at your sliding door. But now your door is equipped with 2 steel pins that lock that door at the top and at the bottom. So I believe that this particular video proves that if you do reinforce your sliding door with additional lock, they will not get into the home. If you're considering getting a sliding door replaced, not only Optimal Windows and Doors will offer you the most energy efficient sliding doors available, but also we will make sure that we'll install 2 additional locks for your sliding door so it becomes virtually impossible to open. Contact Optimal Windows and Doors for your next sliding door replacement project.